Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, and I have a really spectacular, eye-catching quilt on the set with me. This is called Medallion Star. This was designed by Robert Kaufman using their collection. I believe it's called Jaikumari. It is so unique. The saturation of colors, the textures is unreal. We're going to zoom in on this quilt, and you can see this design is, you don't just kind of browse past the quilt. With this much color, impact, and design, just brilliance. Now, one thing you might notice as we're panning over the quilt is we are seeing some absolutely next level long arm quilting. Let me tell you, that happened from the brilliant teachers over at Handi Quilter, their teaching staff, who are incredible. I, for so long, have been wanting to learn long arm quilting. I did my research, and I'm here to say the team at Handi Quilter is the machine to buy. This was quilted on the Amara 24, and you will be seeing more quilts from us quilted on the Amara 24. This was done by the experts there at Handi Quilter, and as you can see, this is incredible. In fact, the team there filmed them quilting this quilt. That'll be airing on their YouTube channel. Be sure to check that out at the Handi Quilter YouTube channel. They're giving you tips and techniques, how they think about thread, how they're choosing all the things that go into really just taking a beautiful piece top to a masterpiece. So we'll be sure to include that footage toward the very end of this video. If you will be picking up one of our limited quantity kits, be sure to grab the backing. Anything that you put this much time into deserves, of course, a backing from the same collection. Rulers are going to be important for you because this is all piecing. This is all patchwork. We have all kinds of flying geese here and lots of half square triangles. What are the keys? They're on the set with me. The Creative Grid Ultimate Flying Geese tool is incredible in combination with the spinning mat. I filmed the video on that. Be sure to check that out, and you're going to see that is the way to go to have just perfect flying geese blocks. And for speed and accuracy, the 2-inch star singles get you perfect half square triangles, 8 at a time. So this is going together much quicker and more precise with the Ultimate Flying Geese as well as the 2-inch star singles. These are the other notions that we used on set, the normal things you'd expect, the rotary cutter, patchwork pins, thread, of course, and needles. The main thing though is to get that beautiful kit, limited quantities, the backing, for sure your Ultimate Flying Geese, your 2-inch star singles. So join me as we head over to enjoy watching the footage of the pros at Handi Quilter approach a quilt like this, from thread choice to thread color and more. So as you can see, the long arm quilting takes an already amazing quilt to a level that is, well, it's a masterpiece. It stops you. The colors alone stop you, but you want to read into and understand all of the amazing long arm quilting. Be sure to get your kit, your backing, those special notions. Subscribe, do that right now. Let a friend know as well, and I'll see you soon on more Shabby Fabrics videos.